fully deserving. Animals in my this world are just trapped, but it could be crawling animals. Other drawings are just crawling animals, or it could be crawling insects. But it's not that much to be crawling insects. So yeah, so let's get started. We're gonna make a paper cutter pillar. Get some two papers. You can see there's a two lines on the lower part of the horizontal paper. So just use the ruler. Draw some marks every centimeter. And then draw on the upper part in the two lines. On the upper part in the two lines. And then draw this wanted lines. So first draw this wanted line on the one of the square. And then it can form two triangles. And then draw some, in the one of the triangles, draw some small line on it. Small line on it. And then when you draw all that, cut it. Cut it from the horizontal paper. So cut it. And then fold it. Fold it to the lines. Fold it according to the line. Make sure all these lines are visible. And then put a glue on it. Put a glue inside of it. Put a glue inside of that body. Put a glue inside of that body. But it can't do that. Glue on it. Because my camera has a bad quality. My camera has about bad quality. I can't do it well. I'm real sorry. And then do it again. And then fold it. And then let it dry for a minute. Let it dry for a minute. And then once it dried, and then fold it up and down according to the line. Up and down. Like this. Up and down according to the lines. But that was real hard to do. But we can't do it. That was real hard to do. I've been doing practicing for a week to do that. So that's why I can't upload some videos for a month. Because of that video. Did all this, and then I can't see there's a squared line on it, or a bottom square. So fold it according to the lines. Fold like a triangle, and then fold again. put a glue on it. And then fold it up, down, fold it up, not down, because that was the head, that is the head, and put it away, and then grab another paper. And on the canister, there's a wall of instructions with a wall of measurement. All these measurements are related to the side of your paper. All these measurements are related on the side of that. And then at the canister, there's a pentagon with a 1 centimeter on the lower part of it, and then 2 centimeter on the upper part of it. And then draw some lines on the middle of that. And then draw the border between the upper part and the lower part of it. And then draw the line on the lower part of it. When I draw the line on the lower part of it, this part is 1/2 centimeter, and this part is 1/2 centimeter. So each part on the lower part of the pentagon is 1/2 centimeter. So cut it. And then fold it according to the one again. Fold it like this. And then again there's the long rectangle with a small rectangle on the inside of that. These rectangles have a length of 1/2 centimeter, and then the width of 3 centimeter. And then, yeah, I forgot to put a width on it. There's 3 centimeters. And then each small square had a same length to the longer rectangles. Had the same length of the longer rectangles. And the width of that is 1 centimeter. Each small square had a width of 1 centimeter. And then cut it. And then again fold it according to the lines. Then again there's a lot of rectangles. 6 rectangles. The length of rectangles is 1/2 centimeter again, and then the width of rectangles is 2 centimeters. And then cut all of this. Grab the folded pentagon. And then grab the folded part of the body. And then grab the folded part of the pentagon. And then glue it on the folded part of that. to glue it. And then like this. And then grab this long square with a small squares on a that's not a square. That's rectangles. I'm real sorry. Rectangles. Grab the long rectangles on a put a long rectangles on the top of the head. Then glue the center of the part of the rectangle. So glue it on the head of caterpillar. And let it dry for a minute again. And then grab all these rectangles. And then glue it on the back. It's up to you on what form of rectangles, what you do. What form of rectangles, it's up to you to glue it on the back. Like this. And put some colors on it. Put some colors. So like this. And then that's how you make paper caterpillar. And yeah, I'm sorry for not uploading some videos because yeah, the camera got damaged. And then I have it's called projects. I can't do that. But now I'm free from this called project and I'm free from my camera is getting well now. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching, so are you able to watch my next video to learn more about my next channel.